umbrella. Let's get right to traffic and weather together, starting with Megan.
Yeah, because hints of spring can mean a couple different things. It can either mean you can get rid of the jacket, or it can mean you better grab the umbrella, and that's what today's all about. We've got temperatures that'll be topping out in the low 60s today, but you're also going to have to
together. Megan, we would love to have a repeat of yesterday.
Wouldn't we? Temperatures in the 70s, plenty of sunshine, a nice breeze, but today's going to be on the mild side. We'll have a real good breeze. We'll also add some rain into the picture, so not a carbon copy of your Sunday. Right now it's 57 degrees at O'Hare. Humidity coming in at about 77%, but winds out of the south at 17 miles per hour. So it is a breezy start out there this morning. And then we've got some rain, some light rain, albeit light. It's out there. We've got some showers across parts of northwest Indiana, another little band just west of the city. And then more activity from St. Louis stretching down to Kansas City. And so that activity stays south of us for now. But we've got a lot of energy just in the environment today. So we're going to keep that rain chance going through the day and into tomorrow as well, so that we end up with about 1.3 inches of rain. They're actually breaking records for snowfall there. They've already broken a record for the state. They have 17.4 inches on the ground there and could see an additional couple inches as the storm pushes eastward. It's kind of attached in a big arc to the rainfall that we have in play down here this morning, but thankfully no snow en route to Chicago. But for us, it's just some light rainfall, making for wet roadways, so you need to be careful out there. But we don't even have moderate precipitation in gear. It's really just some light showers coming and going around the area right now. And you can see it's clearing those of you in northwest Indiana. If you're taking 80, 90, heading east, you might actually see those showers continuing as you push out west. We've got temperatures here of 57 degrees in Chicago right now. So it's a nice, mild start. But you can clearly see where the cold front is located, guys. Look at that line between the green, that's the 50s, and the blue, that's the 30s and 40s, back on off to the north and west of us, and that's where the front is this morning. 44 degrees in Green Bay, 57 in Chicago. It gets all the way down to 63 degrees in St. Louis right now, and as the front comes through, you'll see those showers and storms kind of rev up in intensity tonight. 9 o'clock tonight, we're talking about some pretty heavy rain across a good part of Chicagoland, and that rain will continue and get a little bit lighter going into your Tuesday morning, but we don't lose the rain chances at all for the next couple of days, and it's all really courtesy of this cold front. Some scattered showers around this morning, but another mild day. Tomorrow will be different. We're going to talk about exactly what to expect for this week coming up.
Megan Glaros, there's Derek too.
Boom! How awesome was our Sunday, right? You know, it was fantastic, but that is not going to be the case, sadly. Going into our Monday, we've got some showers out there right now.
Let's check back in with meteorologist Megan Glaros for traffic and weather together.
It's a little breezy out there this morning, guys. We've got wind gusts coming in to 28-mile-per-hour gusts in Valparaiso, 26 for Midway, about 24 for DeKalb, and 20-mile-an-hour gusts for Aurora. So it is not an easy morning. It's breezy, and we have some showers out there. They're fairly light, but still, roadways are going to be wet this morning when you head out and about. You can see some showers pushing through, and that started overnight and will continue through the course of the day today, into tonight, into tomorrow, and frankly for the next couple of days. But let's just take you through Tuesday, tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. We've got an estimated rainfall total between now and then of 1.3 inches at Gary, a little less than an inch at Rensselaer, right at an inch for a good majority of the area. So you can expect to see quite a bit of rain out there, and we anticipate seeing those showers continue.
And we're going to be a little bit chillier today, Megan?
You know what, by 10 degrees, but yesterday was well above average. So nice. Today we're still going to be just at least a few degrees above the norm, which at this point is mid to upper 50s. And today we're going to be topping out at 62 or so. So it is looking pretty good out there, but we have rain that's heading down here to Chicago. That'll come after the passage of tonight's cold front, but right now we've got a few showers out in front of the front. You can see just a couple right now from Joliet to Aurora, stretching up towards the Wisconsin border. It's not particularly heavy rain, but it's out there, so take your umbrella, and we're going to see more coming later on as the cold front gets closer. It clears the area overnight tonight and then opens the door up to a much cooler air mass going into your Tuesday. So while today will be right at or even above average in many locations, tomorrow we'll go a little cooler than average. So for today, keep the umbrellas handy. We've got showers likely out there. It will be cloudy and warm, but also breezy. South-southwesterly wind anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour out there during the day. Winds will taper off a little bit tonight, but the rain will continue, and we may add some thunderstorms in the mix as the front comes through tonight. Temperatures drop down to about 40 next few days. I feel like a carbon copy of last Monday when I said we're in for a really active week. It's going to be another really active week this week.
Another rainy day and a Monday.
Yeah, kind of sad.
How the roads look.